Sige, how would we start?
Sorry.
Go. Sige, try mo muna. I'm not sure if it's delicious.
I think it is.
Hindi ko alam kung masarap. Ito, try. Ito naman is
Tikman ko muna to.
Indian tikka masala.
How did you know how to cook this?
ChatGPT. Thank you, ChatGPT.
Of course. Anong work mo ngayon? Saan?
I work for...
Subukan mo na.
I'm not sure kung ano. Pwede bang sabihin yung company? Baka hindi pwede.
Sige, ano na lang yung work mo doon?
I work for an insurance company. It's one of the biggest insurance company here sa US. I work as a case manager, but I'm more focused sa PDN. I don't do direct care. Rather, I manage them. So they will get the benefits from the government.
Ano yung PTN?
PDN, private duty,
okay.
private duty nursing.
Bungol lang.
Basically, mga members ko are those kids that are getting private duty nursing services. So from the agency, I make sure that they have all the services that they need and walang gaps in care, ganun.
Ano yung mga useful routine mo?
For my work, I work full-time, work from home siya. So I start at 8. I usually check my email first. After that, I open my Teams, check for any meeting. I check my tasks. Titignan ko if I need to call any member. Kasi we level them. Meron kaming level stratificate or risk stratification. So we, according sa needs nila. If they're very prone to hospitalization, so we need to contact them every 30 days. If ano naman sila stable, they only get 8 hours na PDN, then I can level them as 3. Baliktad pala. Level 3 is only once every 6 months. We call them. Reach out to them. Level 2 is every 90 days. And level 1 is every 30 days. So that's when we need to call them. Of course, meron din instances that we need to call them in advance or they will reach out to us if, let's say, wala na silang PDN, walang nurses, may vacancies sila, may unstaffed hours sila. So we help them out, look for a different agency. So parang related din siya dun sa ginawa ko first as a case manager. So I can relate more because I know how it goes. I know how the agencies. Before this, I work for MLTSS. Iba naman yon. Yon is state program siya, Medicaid na benefit. So that is a hybrid. I go to their house and then I finish all my documentation at home. So that's more of, hindi siya direct care, but more on hands-on kasi I do need to visit. Meron once a month, every 6 months, once a year, gano'n. Depending.
Dito sa bago, since insurance, di ba?
Insurance din ito, but all calls. The difference between MLTSS, kasi state siya na program, yung Managed Long-Term Support Services. Those are the people na matanda na, may mga sakit, they are not, meron sila mga disabilities, gano'n. So, you need to really visit them for you to do your assessment. Yung parang head-to-toe assessment. With PDN, because they have PDN services, they do the assessment, I call them. I make my assessment over the phone based dun sa sagot ng parents. So, kaya pala siya over the phone.
8 to 5.
8 to 5. But I only do 8 to 4:30. Kasi 30 minutes lang yung lunch break ko. So, if you'll do the full 1 hour, you'll be working until 5. If you only do 30 minutes, then you'll be until 4:30.
Yung hourly rate nyo, kasama
We're not paid hourly. Salaried.
salary.
Case managers are really paid salaried. Hindi
Like 15-30 or once?
For this company, every 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yung isa is bi-monthly. 15-30, parang ganon. Yung nung nasa MLTSS pa ako.
Parang ganun yun, every 2 weeks, di ba?
Hindi, kasi may months na 3 beses ka masasahod. But the downside lang is if pure work from home ka is mababa ang sahod. 85. 85K.
Yung annual. Parang halos parehas din naman sa dati.
Same lang sa dati kong work. Dati
I mean,
work.
doon sa dati-dati.
No.
Hindi? Talaga?
6 digits ako dun.
Talaga? Like dahil sa mga OTs?
No? A salary din ako dun. All CM, if you will be working as a case manager, you will be paid salary. So wala kang... Meron kaming OT doon sa MLTSS. It's more of you complete yung assessment. Kasi maraming backlogs, kaya they will pay you to finish those assessments. So pwede ka din malaking kita doon because of that.
Pero yung una-una mo?
Yung sa sa home care.
Oo, di ba?
Same rate sa akin ngayon.
Di ba?
Exactly. At, mas stressful yun.
Yeah. Biruin mo hanggang ating gabi.
Yes,
tatawagan
dito
ka.
no.
Pagkagising mo pa lang,
yun na yun.
gising ka na, may kausap ka na. Tapos okay ka naman dito ngayon.
So far,
Hindi toxic.
bago pa naman ako. So, I'm still in training.
Ilang weeks ka na ba? Or months? Ilang months ba yung training?
Nag-start ako October 27. So, basically mga 1 month plus pa lang.
Ilang months yung training nyo?
2 months.
Okay. Dapat na din.
Oo.
Okay ka na.
I can say this is a lot easier than yung MLTSS. Maybe because I already have a background sa MLTSS, kaya yung transition ko is easier. As opposed to nung nag-PDN ako, nag-home care ako, then I transitioned to MLTSS, lost ka talaga. Kasi it's totally different. Yung documentation, everything.
So parang somehow na-train ka dun sa una mo before this.
Grabe yun ka-toxic that iiyak na ako kasi hindi ko pa tapos yung documentation and I need to complete it the following
So
day.
kaya pala umalis ka.
Kasi kung money lang, kung pera-pera lang, of course, ang laki ng pera doon. Laki ang pera doon because yung mileage mo, bayad ka. Para so bayad na din yung parang gas mo. Yung tolls mo, bayad ka rin. So, di ba? And you have your time. Kasi you can manage your time. Pwede kang pumunta muna ng groceries, tapos you visit. It depends on you. Basta mahihit mo lang yung target.
Dito.
Dito kasi, since you don't have your own personal phone, tapos, all the calls will be through Avaya. So, hindi ka pwedeng pumunta kahit saan-saan. You have to stay on your desk. So, yun kasi, meron kami sariling phone. So, pwede kami mag-grocery or maybe go to the doctor's, for a
Dito
doctor's
po ka lang
visit.
talaga. Ano pa yung masashare mo ng mga pros and cons nitong bago mo?
Ito is, maganda yung benefits. Insurance-wise, it's really good.
Ano okay na sa'yo? If okay
Yung
lang.
sa insurance, ano kasi, they do Horizon. So, yung
Maganda.
bayad ko is $70-something. So, wala akong copay per pay
per-
period.
So, every 2 weeks.
So, mga
okay.
140. Pero wala akong copay. Pero that includes na yung dental, yung vision, tapos wala akong copay.
Mura na yun.
Ay, wala ba akong copay? Ano ba yung copay tapos yung isa? Yung parang i-hit mo muna, then they will cover everything. Di ba meron yun?
Kalimutan ko eh.
Ano bang tawag doon na you will hit that first and then they will pay the rest? Anong tawag doon?
Yun yung lahat eh.
Yeah, yung something like that. Ito kasi wala. Wala siyang ganon. So, kaya maganda. Kaysa dun dati, nung nag-MLTSS ko.
So, talagang bayad lahat. That's good. Ano pa yung mga pros and cons
Ano din,
na maisip mo?
yung tawag dito? Bonus. Maganda yung bonus nila, annual bonus. But of course, you have to meet yung productivity. Any other job, meron silang dapat productivity mo like this. Wala kang absences na mga valid na absences. You complete all the trainings that required, yung mga e-learnings that you are required na hindi dapat late. Wala kang mga late submission of your documentation. Yung mga ganun, yung typical. So, once ma-hit mo yon, then for sure you'll get a good bonus.
So, depende sa if you're always present.
And maganda yung yung PTO. We have 19 total PTOs in a year.
19. Other than that, man pa kayong like NJ, sick leave or anything?
Wala, yun na yun.
Wala.
19, that includes 1 day na floating holiday, which you can use as a PTO.
How about the sick leave?
Wala kaming sick leave. Yun na yun.
Yun na
Lahat.
yun. Kaya din yun.
Okay na din yun. Tapos yung wala kang work before and during Christmas.
Ay, talaga?
And during yung, what's the recent holiday that we had nung 28?
Thanksgiving.
Yes. The day before and on Thanksgiving, wala kaming work.
Ay, talaga.
24 and to December 24 and 25, wala kaming work. Juneteenth.
Automatic na.
Pero di ba yung iba, kahit office, meron pa rin work? Kasi nung sa MLTSS, meron pa rin work on the 24th.
Sa government kasi yun eh, di ba sabi mo? Kung
Oo, pero still, para silang private entity. Private entity siya, pero parang
yung
TSS. Bale, government siya. Tapos, babayaran nila isang private company na, sige, ikaw yung babayaran ko, ikaw mag-manage nitong members na to. So just make sure you hit the requirement. Parang gano'n. Even with this company now, meron din silang MLTSS. But of course, hindi ako nag-MLTSS. Kasi, what's the point?
they manage a lot of areas or categories?
Sa MLTSS,
Like your company ngayon? Kasi
Ngayon, meron. Oo.
MLT.
marami sila. Meron silang PDN, meron silang MLTSS, meron silang General Case Management, meron din silang yung hindi government, kasi government ako na side. Meron din silang commercial side. It's more of, example, nag-work kayo sa isang company, yung mga workers' comp, gano'n, meron din sila. UR, lahat.
Oh, nice.
Oo.
Wala kasi akong idea sa mga, hindi naman ako na, sa
Ay,
Philippines.
oo nga pala, oo.
Sa insurance.
So, meron sila nun.
Ano ba yung idea mo sa American Dream?
Before coming here, of course, yung American dream, like we always envision, is yung makabili ka ng bahay, madami kang pera, syempre, tapos yung may sasakyan ka, yung ganon na isip. Of course, when I came here, nakatrabaho na ako dito, I saw ano ba yung buhay dito, parang hindi na siya yung nai-envision ko na American dream. It's more of really stability. Stability in the sense that I have a job that I like, that will pay yung sa needs ko, and so yung mga wants ko, travel. Dito kasi sa America, because we're earning dollars.
Nagbago yung idea mo.
Nagbago siya. It's more of we have the ability na to travel anywhere around the world.
Like you can afford it na talaga.
Yes. Kasi nung sa Pilipinas, you can afford. Pero syempre, palagi pa rin tayong
Bibilang.
convert.
Yeah.
Dito kasi alam natin yung US, yung US dollars, mataas yung yung conversion.
And when you get back, you will always have a job.
Correct, yun. And yung uuwi ka ng Pilipinas, alam mong you can afford to treat your family. Alam mo yung ganon. So, yeah.
Hindi ka na magbibilang.
Yes, na magbibilang. Parang, ay, magkano lang? Ay, okay lang yan. Parang $1, parang $10
kasi
lang. Or
iba na yung conversion mo sa
yes, yun lang. Yun yung nabago sa akin.
That's good. For you, ngayon, na-achieve mo ba yung, now that you have that kind of American dream sa mind mo?
I believe na-achieve ko yung bago kong idea of American dream because I get to travel. Na sa Europe, within US, and pati pa Pilipinas, I can...
Hindi yung dating inisip mo na, ay, pagpunta mo dito, mayaman ka na talaga.
Oo, syempre.
Nabash ka na mo, dalawa na ba?
Yes. Tapos I can help my family if they need. Although, I'm not saying na maraming pera. Of course not. Pero, yung bang makakatulong ka somehow. Yun.
But you can help na.
Yeah, na-realize ko na yung nakikita pala natin sa social media, it's not all true. Yung bang nakikita mo yung friends mo, kasi dati I see my friends na nasa America sila or nasa Europe sila, ang dami nilang pera, ang ganda nila.
Kasi kayang-kaya nilang pumunta doon.
Correct. Pero yung akala ko, yung buhay dito, parang maging mayaman ka agad. Pero it's not the case. Yes, kasi you earn dollars. At the same time,
But you still have to work.
Yes, you have to work and spend dollars. So parang equal lang, parang even lang din siya somehow. Especially for me, I don't work. Wala akong second job. Ever since. Wala kaming OT.
Wow. Pero at least may bonuses kayo.
Yes. Yeah. Oo. Pero wala kaming OT. Kasi I work Mondays to Fridays.
At least
So
weekend
wala kang,
off.
weekend off, pero wala ka kasing, ano pang time mo kung magtatrabaho pa ako sa weekend? So ano lang ang time ko for myself? So, ayun. Tamad lang.
Kaya na din, di ba?
Uh-uh.
And your apartment is nice.
Thank you.
Di ba? Ano yung message mo ngayon sa anyone who wants to pursue their American dream? Sa mga nasa Pilipinas or anywhere else na wala pa dito,
So
or
dito.
dreaming of their American dream.
I guess you just, my advice ko is, if you have that passion, you have that, yung dream mo talaga, go for it. Kasi alam ko maraming magsasabing, pangit, wag dyan, wag dito. Parang, wag mong, don't listen to it and don't make that as a parang magiging decision mo whether to go here or not. Do it your own. Yung mag-decide ka for yourself. Use that as parang guide, but still trust your instinct. And pagdating mo dito, dapat, realistic ka with your, kasi, di ba,
Kaya
yung,
pinag-ugutan.
oo. Hindi, what I mean, I'm trying to say is, naaawa kasi ako kasi yung iba na-disappoint.
Have you been disappointed when you came here?
No, I'm not disappointed because
hinanda ko yung sarili ko eh. Hinanda ko yung sarili ko na pagpunta ko dito, I'm gonna be working. And it's not gonna be easy. I'm just lucky kasi meron akong very supportive na family. Pero yun ba, just be realistic. Dapat meron ka munang, gawin mo muna. Bago ka magreklamo, gawin mo muna.
Yeah.
Prove yourself, prove your worth. If you've proven your worth, then that's when you will demand, when you will know na, okay, meron pala akong ganitong skill set. That when I go to any other jobs, this is something that I can offer, that the company can, parang, they will see, okay, worthy ka talaga to be part of this company. Kasi you bring this to the table. So, yun lang. Just be realistic. And just be thankful kung whatever comes your way. Be thankful. Don't forget the people who help you out. And always be grateful. Huwag mong kakalimutan yun. Kasi yung mga tao dito, pagdating nila dito, parang naano sila na, dapat mas mayaman ako ganito. Nakabili si ganito, dapat ako din.
Ay, ganyan ang mindset ko.
Diba? Yes.
Tama dito. Kaya
Nakabili.
honestly, disappointed ako.
Disappointed ka?
Sa sarili ko.
Oo.
Kasi you've expected a lot.
And naisip ko din yung may mga tao kasi nag-ask din sa akin na ganun din yung mindset kasi breadwinner. They want to help their family. Gusto nilang. Tapos meron ding mom naman na gustong pag-nursein yung anak niya. They saw this video na in-upload ko like 6 months
yung
ago.
video,
Yun
yeah.
na maraming naka-watch. And then yung comment niya, ano kaya ipapagpatuloy ko pa ba yung anak ko sa pag-nursing?
Nag-nurse. Bakit ba? Akala ba nila nag-nurse ka dito, mayaman ka agad?
Ganun di ba yung mindset din most of the Filipinos?
I think so.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
because of also what they see
Yeah.
on social
Yeah,
media.
kasi yun yung pinopost lagi.
Correct.
But you'll never know really unless you try. Tsaka yung family, like yung family ko, din nakita nila na, ay, ganun pala. So, naiba na rin yung mindset nila about this American dream.
Correct.
Oo.
Yeah. Kasi yun din, minsan din, I kind of like, na ganun din ako. Sabi ko, pagpunta ko na Amerika, magsisave ako ng ganito, dapat ganito, marami na
Tapos
akong
may bahay na
pera.
ako after ganito.
Oo, dapat,
sa Pilipinas, saka
oo,
dito.
diba? Parang ganun na, dapat nababayaran ko na lahat ng utang ko sa Pilipinas in just 1 year. Maganda yon kasi meron kang goals. The thing is, huwag kang ma-disappoint kung hindi mo mahihit yung goals.
Sabi mo nga, be realistic.
Oo.
And you will see how real is realistic once you experience it.
Correct.
Oo.
Oo. Correct. Oo, kasi kaya naman. Actually, kaya kung kahit isa lang yung job mo. Kaya naman. It all boils down din sa kung meron ka bang binubuhay sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi kahit yung lifestyle mo, simple na simple. Pero kung
Eh, kung may
may
binubuhay
isang barangay kang binubuhay sa Pilipinas,
Exactly.
hindi talaga. And you value, also you, focus on self-love and self-care. Kasi trabaho ka ng trabaho. Tapos at the end of the day, kung magkasakit ka, lahat ng pinagtrabuhan mo,
Gastos mo din.
yun din, ibabayad mo lang din.
And then,
Hindi ka pa nag-enjoy. Mag-enjoy ka na.
balance. Yeah.
Correct, di ba? Just like you work, at the same time, you enjoy, which is good.
That's why I do this.
Exactly, oo.
Pang-release din.
Oo, actually, yes. Oo. Nakaka-stress lang talaga maging... Now, I realize na stressful pala maging vlogger, no?
Bakit? Sa mga nagtatanong sa'yo?
Hindi naman. Pero nakita ko lang kasi when I first started, di ba, parang yung buhay ko, parang nakasurround na siya, I have to do this, dapat mag-content ako, ganito, ganyan. Di ba? Parang ayoko kasi na gano'n. You know me, I want to rest, I want to take my time,
Huwag ka magpa-pressure.
and na-pressure nga ako. Di ba, na-pressure ako. Kaya, I stopped.
For a while.
For a while. I stopped mga siguro, a month or 2. Nag-stop talaga ako, like nothing. Napopost ako
What
paminsan-minsan.
made you go back?
Siguro yung I want to share some thoughts, may maganda ako nakita, I want to share it. Pero hindi na ako yung para ma-hit ko yung mga goals. Di ba may mga requirements
Nakakaano
yun?
kasi si FBA. Yung Meta may mga
True.
requirements.
May mga requirements na ayoko nang ganun.
At first talaga ano ba to? Ba't ang dami-dami?
Correct, 'di ba? Parang nasi-stress out ka na parang I
Pero
need
you don't have to,
ano.
you don't have to ano naman that. you don't have to accomplish everything.
Correct.
Parang guide lang yun. At least may guide tayo.
That's when, nung nag-stop ako, that's when they told me, oh, you're earning na. You can earn na
Good
this,
job.
ganyan. Pero pa konti-konti lang. It's not like makabili ako ng anything.
But at least you started na.
Oo.
mag-earn
Kaya
something.
parang sabi ko, sige mag-post lang
So,
ako
na-motivate
if
ka na
I
din.
want to. If I want to lang. Like, I don't want to hit kung ano yung mga requirements. Kung gusto ko lang. I-hit ko. But that's why I'm very, very proud of you. Kasi nga, na-maintain mo talaga siya.
Kasi
given
may
your
mga
busy
nagtatanong din eh.
schedule.
May nagtatanong din kasi gusto ko rin syempre maka-answer sa kanila. Kaya lang, ngayon, since busy nga with everything, ang dami kong backlogs.
Oo.
Ang hirap na, well, may time na ay kailangan kong edit ito, tapos I need to work ngayon. Tapos may mga kailangan gawin pa kasi we have to. So, maraming naiipon na.
Yun nga, yung iba, ang daming nagme-message sa akin. Sabi ko, bakit hindi kayo mag-comment?
Kaya nga.
I-message nyo ako na I will answer naman.
Kasi once you comment, it's also engagement. It's gonna help us.
Correct. I don't, kasi hindi talaga, you don't know me, I don't know you. If you message me, I'll try my best to answer. Kasi madami ako nakukuha ng mga messages like that. Tama ba to? Ganito, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. Sabi ko,
Mas
I
matututo
appreciate.
pa yung iba kung mag-comment
Correct. Kung
sila.
magko-comment sila para lahat makakita. I do understand maybe others doesn't want to be highlighted siguro. That's why they prefer na personal. Pero regardless, whatever it is, okay lang naman. So, pero I'm very, very proud of you.
Thank you.
Kasi mahirap. Mahirap siya.
Mahirap i-maintain.
Mahirap i-maintain. And mahirap kasi mag-isip kung ano yung content mo. Kaya I have parang mataas yung ko. Dati kasi sabi ko, ay, mabilis lang to. Kasi content, gawa ko ng content, 'di ba? Kahit anong content. Pero mahirap pala talaga to maintain it.
Ang ginagawa ko lang kasi yung sinasagot ko lang yung mga questions. Pag
Yung
may
mga
idea na
questions.
pumapasok during that time, sinusulat ko na lang. Marami pa nga akong idea. Hindi ko pa nagagawa.
Ay, siguro kasi yung sa'yo, it's more of what you're doing right now. Like, your profession, nursing, whatever. So, it's more focused on nursing na.
As immigrant, ganun. Yung processing ng everything.
Yeah.
Lahat naman, like, di ba, what's behind the American team. So, everything na nangyayari behind that.
Yeah. Akin kasi, it's more of like, broad. Wala kasi siyang
Parang ganun din sa'yo because you're living it.
pero wala siyang masyadong, kahit ano lang. You throw it, like, I designed something. Ito, I found this item, ganyan. So, parang anything under the sun, parang gano'n.
More on sa design, kaya you can use that.
Kind of like that. Parang lifestyle, travel, siguro ganyan. Oo, parang, Basta,
Okay na.
nakakapagod lang siya.
Thank you sa
You're
pagkain.
welcome.
I enjoyed
Masarap ba? Hindi ko alam kung masarap.
Yeah,
Hindi pa
busog
siya
nga ako
sobrang, sobrang.
Hindi
Gusto mo
lang,
pa ba?
hindi lang ako masyadong marami ng kumain.
Nagda-diet ka ba?
Hindi naman, busog na ako.
Sure. Gusto mo ng dessert?
Yeah, pwede din.
Sure. Wait lang. Let me just put this.
Okay na ba yun?
Okay yun.
Mag-buy na lang tayo.
Well, sure. Wait
Sige,
lang.
ano mo yung dessert mo. Parang favorite mo yan.
It's my favorite.
Salted caramel truffle.
Ano ba yan? Ang dami kong sinasabi, no? Talkative. Very, very talkative.
Okay lang yun.
Wait lang.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mag-buy ka na. Follow, anong name mo sa FB?
Sai.
Please follow Say, or you can search Say So Worth It. Makikita nyo siya.
Yes. Or
And then
Sai
follow
na
her.
lang. Yes.
Say, okay.
Bye.
Thank you.